one man don't vex divorce his wife. You don't tell the wife, my wife carry a load go in papa house. Because they say this woman, the name na Vivian Chidima Chudimbe, I mean Chidumbe. And the man, according to the story, they say this woman, now be the woman will be saying they advise women make that they kill their husbands when they cheat on them. They say this woman they one group they advise all the women. They can't tell they say if they catch their husband, you know, on top of any woman, or if they suspect their husband, if they brass or maybe they chop or goloso for outside, understand, or if they chop a good soup for outside, they say make they not bother to stab her or make them not pour hot water. He say what did they go do? Make they just go their husband car, make they just remove the brake, so that if their husband just enter highway, the brake go fail, the tension dey low, it go even make the man faint. So he say if the man survive the accident, which means the spinal cord, it go lost. So according to they say when the man when the woman they talk all those things, he can't get one woman where they vex, the woman can't read the comment, but the woman can't quickly screenshot her. They say, but then the woman, you know, most of una at the come. They say the woman he can't read down, then he can't just click the person profile, he can't discover say the person self he don't marry. Now the woman can't say now the woman can't they can't screenshot the message, they can't send that go the woman husband. So when the husband calls and the husband calls say what? What the hell? Like the husband say, me I too young to die. So which means the husband self you will hear with the chop of boloso for outside. Because if you know the chop of boloso for outside for no fear. Like the man say, he too young to die. Now the man just quickly go court, divorce his wife. My people, no be small to you. You see this very woman now, just imagine this woman now just they deceive other women, not knowing that even he himself, he don't marry, they enjoy a husband for house. Like most of una when they watch me now, most of una they enjoy for, but una go they deceive other people. But una all good though. Sometimes now una go they worship una husband, but una go they tell una friends and a lie. Now we man, now we can life. We are the head, not the man. We are this one, we are this one. But if you come the house, you can't discover say, understand? Go discover say, now them even they worship their husband past. It just be like say, it just be like one at time. Just be like one at time. This one na even pastor, Last time you go they talk. Why? How this one? How will your this one? How will your wife do this one? Is your wife this one? Then understand now. Later now, as two of them go define, they go say, may they go pastor house, may they go talk to pastor. When they reach pastor, they say the pastor go bad. Now more than they fight over the small mortar. Igbi. Like then will they come? So as soon as they understand, then they will call even the judge us. So they can't have to go back to go restitute themselves. Understand? So people they enjoy una marriage, but now they spoil other people marriage. Just see what this woman do now. Understand now? And this woman get husband. What we say if you reach us in sweetheart, honey pie, lovey, lion. But you go social media, go they destroy people destiny, people marriage. Now what just they happen so? Unfortunately, marriage don't go. I beg my people, may we try take careful wetin we dey do. At least may you face your marriage, leave other people marriage. Face your problem, leave other people problem. No dey carry other people problem for your head. Your own go good, but you dey scatter other people own. Understand? E no good. Now see wetin you don face now. I know I just talk too much. See wetin you don face now. Understand? Now he dey destroy people marriage now, and she don still destroy her own marriage. That man, this man no go ever like to go back again, because he don already talk wetin he wan do. So my people, abeg, una subscribe to Agbon's TV for more news. Una like, una comment, and una share. Una dey tell me una view, and una help me share am. And God go bless una. Abeg, make we go to the other news.